Happy Halloween, you guys! Hello, Tria. We're just waiting. Naghihintay ako para sa Diana Mackey. Do you guys know what I am? I'm a sailor. Sailor ako. Takot ka ba kayo? I wonder what Diana's wearing. Really scary, and I'm just like, pa-cute lang. Hello, Watson. You guys are guessing she's Wonder Woman. Oh. Ano ba yan? Nagulat mo ko.
Oh my... Rawr!
Ayun, that's what you're wearing po.
Oh my god! I'm Hulk. This is Sean's costume for Halloween.
Oh, you're so cute.
Wait, maliwanag.
Ganda.
What? Wait, it's too bright. Oh my god. Masyadong maliwanag. Wait. I'm just gonna close the curtains. Wow, Captain Frankie!
Here at your service.
Wait lang.
Oh, I'm gonna share this. Everyone, let's share this stream, okay? I'm gonna share this. Yeah, yung stream na ito. Okay, I just linked it. Diana, I'm gonna go off and share this right now on Twitter, right?
Kailangan naka-post pag nag-freeze.
Did it pose real cute?
Yeah. Grabe. From now on, I'm gonna do that. I don't want to freeze looking.
I know, it would hurt. Oh, wait.
Ganun pala yun. Okay, ngayon alam ko na. Hindi ko alam yun.
Live na kami. Yun, there we go.
Hi guys, happy Halloween! Hello.
Okay, I just shared it.
Makeup already. Bakit
I
naka-makeup?
just shared it. Oy, hello, lovely. Salamat sa lechon.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna wear my witch hat. It's not a witch hat pala, Frankie. It's a magician's hat.
Salamat sa ipit. Oh, that's cute, Diana.
Bato or magician?
Oh, wear it. Hermione ka ba?
Parang witch, no?
Parang Harry Potter. Harry Potter ka.
Harry Potter! Oh my God, Frankie. Kakastart na niya. Harry Potter.
Okay, guys. Anong mas bagay? Yung mask kanina ni Diana or yun?
Siyempre ito! Don't you want to see my face? You're so mean, Frankie.
Siguro
gusto ko to, no? Mas gusto mo to.
Oh, cute, no? Oh, hello, Watson. Diana, share a stream. Retweet my tweet.
Sige na.
Got a stream. Oh, my God. Kumusta po kayo? Frankie Diana. Oh, cute username po. Okay, naka-phrase ni Diana kasi she's stream. Cute!
Naka-post ako. Okay, that's good.
Hindi
ko alam yan. Now on, yun na gagawin ko.
Chinita. Babae.
Totoo ba? No, I'm not.
Okay, guys. Anong mas bagay? Ito? Or...
Wow, ang daming options.
O ito, si Dolly Parton ako. Joke lang.
I like the first one. I like the first one. Mas bagay.
This was a little bit extra.
First one.
You guys want a screenshot? Here we go. Jokes known as. Diana.
Sige, screenshot daw si Frankie.
Joke lang. Oh, your last one.
Oh, there's 3. Oh my God, yeah, I like that one more. That's a bit. Put your hair up, Frankie. Put your hair up. Tie your hair.
What?
So it's real.
Parang lalaki ako.
No, try it. Go.
Sige. Naka-hair tayo. Hello, you guys. Just ran. Magandang hapon. Doon ka.
Magandang hapon. Mabagal ba ako? Feeling ko slow-mo ako. Hindi naman.
Ako din. It looks slow-mo for me kanina din.
Bakit ganun? Medyo
I saw that nag-share Watson. Sharing a story.
Thank you. please share the stream. Wag
I'm
takutan.
scared. This is scary na. This isn't cute anymore, guys.
That's the point, Frankie. I like that one. Yun na lang. Imagine the screenshots.
Long stream.
It's gonna be all over Twitter. Sige, yun na lang.
Yun na lang. Sobrang masaya ako. Uy, sad
Ako
pa.
din, I'm so excited for today.
Me-
Hello!
Oh, I need to change this, Anna. Hindi
Frankie,
pwede.
it's cute. It's cute.
Oh, kasi pangit ako. Kasi
No, it's cute!
maganda. Hindi, pwede.
Bagay, Frankie. Kahit ano naman suotin mo, bagay. Bagay.
Tito boy ba yan?
Tito boy.
Ano, tito
Oh,
boy?
sige, let's let them pick which one you're gonna
Oh, I
wear.
already know they're gonna go with what you said, eh. Hindi.
Ano mas bagay? Ano mas bagay na suot niya?
Kasi takot ako of myself.
Maganda rin yung first one, yung Captain Frankie.
Captain Frankie, ayun na lang.
Captain or that one.
Paalam, clown. Ayoko.
Pero mas okay talaga yung clown. I-push ko yung clown.
It reminds me of the PB Bay clown that came in the
Oh
house.
my God, oo nga. Nakakatakot yun.
Takot. Where did you get that hat from?
This is Mommy's costume for tomorrow. We're having a Halloween party here at home. She's gonna be a witch. She's gonna be a witch. Ito.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Yung pamilya mo?
Oo, kami lang. Sana wala pang bagyo. Oh my God, sana hindi pa dumating yung bagyo. Guys, pala sa mga tiga-Baler dyan, Aurora, ingat po kayo. Mag-prepare na. Nakakatakot yung bagyo, no?
Mag-ingat kayo. Sobrang lakas, di ba? Like,
Sobra.
signal daw, di ba? Ah!
Thank you.
MJ, hello, Watson.
Oh my gosh. Sabi ni Masha, tiga-Baler daw siya. Ingat yan.
Not Masha.
Mm-mm.
Ay, salamat. Kalikya and Watson. Love you guys. Oy, manood ka ba ng Miss Universe?
Oo, pero not the whole thing. I just watched a few clips.
Yeah, you did it.
Question and answer. I watched the top 5 question and answer, but not the top 15.
Diba? Because I was watching it, and nag-message ako si Diana being like, I want Paranaque to win. And then she wasn't even.
Oh, she's cute. Alam ko kung bakit mo siya gusto. Because she's cute. Like,
Diba?
parang medyo Ariana, her styling. Like, so girly.
Salamat, Ziggy!
Thank you, Ziggy. Sa paipis.
Hello, Funky D-Love. Oh,
Frankie, what are you gonna do for Halloween there?
wala naman. It's funny because my mom bili niya ng mga chocolates para sa mga bata. If they
Oh,
love
you do trick or treat there? I haven't did it
Parang
before.
wala. Because there was one person knocking on the door and my mom was okay, she ran down with the chocolates. Pero it was just the neighbor saying someone left a letter in the mailbox.
She was so excited. It's so funny. Pero did the person get the chocolates anyway, or?
Yung audio ko daw, mahina. O hindi?
Ako?
Ako?
No, your audio is fine. Ako ba?
Sige.
Tagalog daw, sabi nila.
O, syempre. Kaya ko. Tagalog,
Pero,
kaya
kinuha ba yung bisita, yung chocolate sa mask? Kinuha.
Oh, hindi. Kasi
Oh.
yung matandang lalaki.
Your mom must have been so sad.
Like, ano? More me then. Okay lang. Hello, Sukar. Oh my gosh, look at that little... Ano ba yun?
Try knocking on your door, Frankie, and asking for chocolates. Try trick or treat in your own house.
Diba? Actually, that would be really funny. Pero
Just mom
so,
happy.
hindi niya alam na ako pala.
Hindi ko sa Philippines eh. Trick or treat.
Wala doon?
Wala.
Kahit walang pandemic, walang trick-or-treaters talaga.
Wala. Hindi siya uso.
Kasi akala ko Philippines,
Sa Manila. Pero sa mga provinces, In BGC, nagti-trick or treat yung mga bata, I remember last year. Maraming nag-trick or treat sa High Street. Pero sa provinces, hindi uso. Hindi uso.
Kasi it's kind of like America, di ba? How it's sobrang festive, yung holidays. Hello, Lemon. Happy birthday. Kumusta yung Halloween nyo? Oh, who sent that one?
Tomorrow pa.
Sino nagsasend yun? Salamat. I love you.
Thank you sa Communiverse. Thank you, Prexy. Lovely.
Iba siya, di ba? Yung Communiverse. Mas updated.
Oo, nag-iba na. It's more like, it's
Tito
Boy now. Hi, Tito Boy!
Dito si Tito Boy, yung sa Kumu, nag-live siya? Hindi.
No.
Oh, then bakit they own guest?
Maybe he did a collaboration with Kumu.
Oh, sana kami lang.
Ay, no, that would be fun. Like if he has a show here on Kumu.
Like, diba? Just like popping up on people's faces.
Oh, no. Zika. Frankie's favorite chips inside the house.
Diana. May mga Halloween jokes para sa'yo.
Oh, sige, go.
Sana tumawa ka.